Today, let us journey back to the reign of King Henry VIII, known for his 6 marriages and his role in separating the Church of England from the papacy. But did you know about his rather peculiar attempt at sanitation? In an era lacking in modern plumbing, Henry sought to deter his servants from relieving themselves haphazardly. His solution? Painting a red cross on the castle walls, signifying places where one should not, in fact, go. Now, you might think this a brilliant idea, but alas, it backfired. Instead of deterring the servants, it gave them a literal target. Yes, it appears our king underestimated the human tendency for mischief. Subscribe for more unusual snippets from history.